All right, I'm Cameron Robertson, and this was my design concept for, and I'm sorry if I pronounced this wrong, Fanshawe, Peru. This is just a little overview map right here, and highlighted right there is a town. This is my design. I decided to go with something that they could build there out of readily available materials, primarily soil and earth, as well as different reeds and timbers that grow naturally in the area. As you all know, the goal of this project was to build a child-friendly play area and to make a gathering space for the community and children. There's about 150 families. It had no real play spaces or equipment for the children to use, and the goal of this project was to create a play area for the kids, participatory design build kind of thing for them to engage in and feel like they're a part of it. So to run through my design quickly, I have a seating lunch area there, a kind of tree grove there, play space for the children right here, and a gathering area here, as well as a dry river running through it. If you look up right here, we have the play space. This area is comprised of 4 mounds, basically each one at different intervals with boards going across to each side. So the kids can run across, play on, climb up, climb down, so on and so on. There's also the river that runs underneath, just for that add a little bit of imagination and like playability. There are little hidey spaces underneath all the bridges for the little kids to climb into and play fort or whatever. There's also little wooden or bamboo or reed walls so that they can hide on each side and have dirt clod wars or just be kids. Next we have a little tree grove. I was thinking natural local trees that are drought resistant, possibly fruit bearing if they can grow there, just for a little bit of added green space for the area. Next to that we have the picnic area, lunch area. I figured it'd be nice to have an area where everyone could gather, everyone could use. It's covered over with reed, and the parents would still be able to view the kids through the fencing along here, because it would actually be slat fencing so you could see through, but the kids can still feel like they're having like some personal time, like time on their own without their parents always watching them or something. And again, this area could be used by everyone and anyone. This area here is the gathering area. There's about 3 steps down. People can just sit, hang out. There's a fire pit in the middle. Everyone can just kind of gather around and talk, have fun, enjoy each other's company. Then this is just a general overview of the site right there. And like I said, there's the river running through it. There's some local trees gathered around it. And it's a dry riverbed, so nothing's going to collect in it, so on. There's rocks for the kids to hop through and hop on and play around on. And again, this is another view of the site or the play area. So yeah, you can see the little guys right there hiding underneath it. So this is more detailed of everything. So yeah, this area was designed with children in mind. There's places to hide. They can run, jump, play, act like kids. This area was designed for a gathering space for the community. You can gather with your friends, family, community gatherings, have a barbecue or roast or something like that for the entire community or just yourselves. Kind of like public parks around here where they have the fireplaces and the barbecues, stuff like that. And then this tree grove, I just thought adding some greenery to the area because it definitely seemed like it was lacking in green. Just fruit-bearing trees can be used as a sort of community garden, something like that. Hopefully they'd be drought resistant. The lunch area, it's located right next to the kitchen, and it would give everyone a chance to sit down and with each other and have lunch. This area could be used by parents while the children are playing, or by the kids eating lunch, or any time during the day when anyone just wants to hang out. And these are just a couple of additional photos that I had in the other slide. Just again showing the site and the different features of it. And that's it.